Yo, you can take that off if you want to. There's some water. They said something about a pipe leaking or something. Also, look at this thing. This is wild. We're about to cut it up, I guess. All right, so the limbs were all kind of hanging over the top. We just grabbed one with the machine and ripped it down and just kind of broke right off. We said here's an active water leak that's still leaking, but we'll start getting this cut up. Yo, if you want to do this for me. Sad, what a beautiful tree. What a beautiful, beautiful tree. Big grandfather oak. And that big split in it. This is what we got so far. Some pretty big chunks here. Some logs in there. These are some pretty big logs. So now what I'm trying to do is just clear like the front half of this, and then so I can get around it, because I don't want to try to like bring logs in between those. But if I can just cut this up right here, get around this mother, that's what I'm saying. Very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. All right, you can grab those ones out the way. I was worried about, you know, like the weight shifting if I cut that big log off and it rolling or something, you know, you never know. So I just cut most of the way through it, and I'm gonna have him pull at the end. Andrew, pull on the end of it. More farther down. Keep going at the very end. Yeah, pull. All right, now reach up there and pull it down.